Today I'm going to be making blackened fish tacos, and I really do love this recipe because it's quick and easy to make. So we're going to get started by preparing our seasoning. In this little bowl I have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of Mexican oregano, 1.5 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and then you want to use 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Give that a loving mix and make sure everything is well combined. And right here I have 10 pieces of tilapia. You can use your favorite fish, but I found these on sale, so I was really happy about it. So what you want to do is you want to rinse them with a little bit of baking soda, and then after you rinse them, then you can go ahead and pat them dry and place them right into your seasoning. Just like this. Beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and place them to the side right here. Once you've seasoned your fish, you're just going to set this to the side. Since I'm going to be serving this with the cilantro lime rice, I'm going to get started on making our rice before I cook our fish, because our rice is going to take a little bit of time and our fish is going to cook super quick. To the Instant Pot, you want to add 2 cups of washed long grain rice. You can use 2 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. And add a sprinkle of salt, a little bit of olive oil. Place your lid on the Instant Pot. Then you're going to pressure cook on your rice button. We're going to do a quick pressure release. Beautiful, beautiful. Now you're going to add the juice of 1 lime. If you have lemon, roll with that. And then you're going to mix it. And I'm going to allow some of this steam to evaporate before I add our cilantro. So give it about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now you can add your desired amount of cilantro. Mix it and mix it. So now we can get started on searing our fish. The best way to blacken your fish is to place your cast iron on a high heat and allow it to heat up for a good 3 to 4 minutes. We're looking for some smoke. Okay, our pan is just starting to get smoky, and that's when we're going to go ahead and place our pieces of fish right on top of that smoke. I'm going to cook 2 pieces at a time because I don't want to crowd my pan and I want everything to sear beautifully. I'm going to allow this fish to sear on that side for 1.5 minutes to 2. I'm not going to touch it. I want it to get nice and blackened. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go this route. I'm just going to cook it another minute on that side, and then I'm going to continue with the remaining pieces. Oh, there you go. But that seasoning works for any kind of fish, salmon, cod, or whatever your favorite is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide our tilapia right here. Place one there. And this other big piece right there. Somebody's going to be really lucky. You can go as light or as heavy as you'd like. Beautiful, beautiful. Little pico de gallo. Some crema fresca. I always feel that seafood tacos taste best with the hot sauce, so we're going to have chiltepín and some salsa negra. And this black salsa that I'm using is perfect for any kind of seafood.